I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Update the switch and open the specific app that accepts QR codes. Once done, make sure the screen brightness is adequate and ambient light avoids glare. Hold the QR steadily 20 to 40 centimeters from the camera. Too close causes blur, too far loses detail. If using a phone to show a code to the switch camera, lock orientation and disable screen dimming. This prepares the hardware and app so the scan can begin cleanly and predictably. You now perform the actual scan step by step. Tap the app's scan option and watch for the framing guide. This shows the exact area the camera uses. Once the QR is centered, hold still and breathe out. Motion blur breaks decoding. Allow autofocus to settle for about 1 second. Moving too fast cancels focus. If the code won't read, try small adjustments in angle or distance rather than sweeping motions. Make sure the QR's contrast and edges are crisp. That's why steady alignment matters. You finish by following the app's confirmation and saving whatever the QR delivers, friend codes, game content, or app links. If the scan fails, clean the camera lens and increase lighting. Reflections and fingerprints are common culprits. Once done, make sure the app has permission to use the camera in system settings. If problems persist, restart the app or reboot the switch, and as a last resort, reinstall the app. This sequence resolves most issues quickly and gets you back to playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.